We'll have a look at getting the meridianal passage of a planet now. It's done the same way as finding the time of meridianal passage of the Sun, only this time we have to remember there's a V correction for the increment of the GHA, so we mustn't forget the V correction. So let's have a look. We're told our position and we're told the day, the 12th of April. So if you actually go to the almanac, at the bottom right on that day you'll see Venus and you'll see Merpass 1120. So written there, Venus 1120. So 12th, the approximate Merpass is 1120 LMT. So we've got an approximate. Apply our longitude in time, 8 hours, and that gives us an approximate GMT is on the 12th at 1920. So that's just giving us an approximate. Now let's get it more accurate. We know approximately that it's going to come out at approximately that time, GMT. LHA 0 or 360, as we looked at before. As the longitude is west, we'll call that 0. Therefore add the 120, so the GHA is 120. Go into the table for Venus, and nearest 120, you'll see 116.59.7 at 19 hours. We'll go to Venus on the next column. So we write that down there, and we've got our increments, 3 degrees 00.3. Go to the bottom and you'll see that V here, V is 3.6. So we write that value down, 3.6. And obviously we're going to reverse the sign as we're working backwards. So the increment we look for there, we go to the increments at the back, look up 3.6 for this difference here, 3 degrees or 0.3. So find that in the back, look up 3.6, and you'll see that the V correction is minus 0.8. So the increments now are going to be 2 degrees 59.5, which makes it 11 minutes 58 seconds. Therefore the GMT of Merpass is 19:11:58. Apply the longitude in time and that gives you 11:11:58, and we knew approximately 11:20, so that puts us in the right area. So just be careful with this V correction situation. Remember, you can't just subtract 3.6 off this value. You have to get the V correction, apply it, and then get your increments to look up for the time. So you're not going to use this to get the accurate time, you're going to use this value to get the accurate time to apply for GMT of Merpass.